Welcome back everyone. So thanks for watching my early videos on my channel. Now I have the new video that I came up with. I have a recipe I would like to share with you guys. I'm gonna make chicken macaroni. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so as here right now you in the video see all the ingredients that I'm gonna utilize to make this chicken macaroni. Okay, I would put the detail at the very end of this video, that how much quantity you have to take of all. Thank you, stay tuned. So guys, as you see now, we are ready to prep the chicken gravy. Okay, so first you have to put the butter into the hot pan. We have the pan right now on maximum heat. Let the butter dilute. Okay, so now our butter is already dilute, and we gotta add the onions that we have chopped earlier, and we have to make sure that they are sauteed. So guys, as you see, we are sauteing this chopped onion, right? So we have to make sure that they are fully ready. And then we're gonna add our ginger garlic paste. So guys, see, our onions are almost ready. Now we gotta add ginger garlic paste into this. We have to make sure. So guys, we have done for 4 minutes sauteing this ginger garlic paste and onion, 4 minutes each, and now we gotta add chicken. So guys, I'll let the chicken cook until it changes its color. So now the chicken color is changed, and we're gonna add the tomatoes, nicely chopped. So now we gotta add spices and 2 of the chicken cubes. You can take Knorr or Maggi. Just make sure you stir it well, mix it well, as you see. So now we're gonna add ketchup. This is part of our recipe, and we're gonna also add carrot. So now we gotta put the lid on after mixing it all well, and leave the lid on for next 5 minutes at medium heat. So after mixing it all well nicely, we have to put the lid on for 5 minutes on a low heat. Okay guys, so I have removed the lid, and as you see, so far we did not add any water into this, and based on our chicken and all the vegetables, spices, they have generated the gravy. The final ingredient that we're gonna add into it, it's on the vegetable side, it's capsicums. So you see, nicely cut, chopped, green, natural. Just make sure we mix them, stir them nicely. Okay, capsicums usually not take long to cook, so just we're gonna cook it for 1 minute. So finally we gotta add the macaroni that we boiled earlier and mix it all with this chicken and vegetable mixed gravy. Very rich in flavor, and we will let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, so now our macaroni is ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.